Okay, this is a bit of a late one again. It's been a very, very busy day. Lots have been going on, but probably one of the biggest news in the Microsoft space, anyway, is that Microsoft is on the verge of releasing their version 2.0 or 2.1 of Teams. Basically, what they're doing is they're releasing a Teams version that has been really well optimized for performance, battery life, and everything else. They're changing and they have re-engineered the whole platform from the ground up. What a lot of people don't realize about Teams is actually a fancy web application. To the point that it's built on a platform called Electron, which is an extension of Chromium, which is the same base that Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome are built on. And it's built using JavaScript and HTML and CSS and all the stuff you see on the websites. But it's not very efficient. It's not very effective. So Microsoft have been working on rebuilding it using their WebView 2 technology, which is their lightweight web browser technology, and leveraging the React JavaScript library, which is very fast, it's very efficient, and it's very good at just changing small bits and pieces on screen. And it's work all modern or a lot of modern web applications being built on. So really looking forward to this coming through in March is the preview, and hopefully for general availability later this year. And if it does what it says it's going to do, be huge benefits for all however hundreds of millions of people every day that are using Microsoft Teams. So can't wait for version 2.0.